Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be sharing with you guys how I achieved this flat twist hairstyle. So to start with, I already went ahead to section my hair into two. So I didn't section it all the way to the other end. As you can see, I just sectioned it a little bit more than halfway through. So then we're going to start with our moisturizer. So I'll be using my Shea moisture as usual and get our hair well detangled. So don't worry, you're not going to have to detangle your hair almost every day. So just this one time and you'll be good for a week or more. So I went in with my Shine and Jam. I'm going to put that all around and then go ahead and brush as well. So make sure the edges are all in place. Yes, so brush your edges in place, and then once you're done doing that, I'm gonna start twisting my hair from my left all the way around and coming back to my left. So grab two pieces of hair, almost like you're doing a two-strand twist, and then you just keep crossing them over each other. So the only difference is this time, each time you want to cross the twist, you have to grab more hair, as you guys can see. So you grab more hair as you're twisting the strand across each other. So be sure to make sure you're twisting forward instead of to the middle of your hair, so that way your twisted hair can sit in the front, as you guys can see. So when you're getting towards the front of your hair, you want to if you need to detangle the tip of your hair a little more. And the reason being is because you have a lot more hair to work with this time. So take your time, don't be in a rush. Take your time in twisting the hair. If you need to comb again or even add a little leave-in conditioner to get the tip of your hair a little bit more softer to work with, you can go ahead and do that. As you guys saw me did earlier, I had to go in with my comb to brush the tip of my hair, and sometimes I have to pull the tip of the hair as well to make it a little bit easier for me to work with. So if you need to do that, don't be scared. Go ahead and do that. And then just keep doing the same thing, twisting and crossing them over each other, and I will show you guys what's next. Yay, we're basically done, and I'm just gonna go ahead and twist the tip of my hair, and after that we're going to fold the tip on top of each other. Then you're gonna get your bobby pin to tuck that away. So get your bobby pin, tuck that away. Once you're done doing that, you can go ahead and adjust your twisted hair. Adjust that. Yay! And that's pretty much it. You can go ahead and lay your edges and you're ready to slay, guys. I'm super excited as always. Man, I'm in love with this hairstyle. Look at that. So easy, quick and simple. You can rock this for a week or even more than a week. All you need to do is just lay your edges and wear your satin scarf when you're going to bed. Alright guys, that's it. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, share with your family and friends, and don't forget, God loves you, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye now.